I will not enter my head safe.
Marvelous, wait.
You wake up and you really go they give her money.
Grace, I beg, wait. Mommy Jennifer, Mommy Jennifer, you miswrong the issue. You know why? You know why? We not say Iye no kokomo daughter me not spend for him mama. God forbid bad things. I want me down.
To start with, Iye no kokomo.
We not talk say me.
Marvelous, I'll be here since I know at that grand. I just had that appointment.
Mommy Jennifer, you dey miswrong the issue. You dey miswrong the issue, Mommy Jennifer. I beg.
Because all of the way there since
we not say you no kokomo daughter me not spend for him mother. I only dey against for when they mwe bug bo ye. Now they against. You understand? I don't say they not give your mama money.
Say or tema bije or tema boyewa or press a lucky.
Mommy Jennifer, I don't tell you say
no. You are miss.
I not say Mommy Jennifer, I not talk say bije say. I'm not tell you they talk. I not talk
two fighting. No, we just appear.
Mommy Jennifer, we not say
because anyone can see or relate to this girl.
What about the part?
Mommy Jennifer, I don't say make you not spend for his mother. I don't say make he pikin not give him mama money. I only dey against for where they mwe bug go here.
I understand, but we are well oppressed because
no, I say maybe they fight. As the mother hold her for neck, maybe they make that pikin.
We don't advise you say
beat your mama. Now what they try to explain? Eto stage je
who understand?
O ma stage
e at least you can anyway. Over here now, no matter what, why we why go more what.
Now swear when they call they swear for the pikin. I mean not like I not to say ima when no more. I not say make mama no make pikin no spend for mother.
Not
be that one a day. You see this woman will come up since this mama will come up see Rose. I give and say the way you take talk is right. I wish
we don't understand. Yes.
I wish some people to analyze this issue.
That picking a bad picking. That picking
yes.
It's too much.
All those kind of stuff. I don't want me not like.
She has something in her.
I be the makeup.
Because if something still happen to this pikin, it more than
Jennifer,
okay.
No, my sister, Grace one. You know what is best for you.
No, I know go they come up again.
Grace one. You know what is good. You want to wait now more than wait. That's blessings from there. Good. It's like
I know go they come up again because they change my
even me myself. The way Jennifer did it first for unnecessary issue. Me hear it now very also.
No, Mommy Jennifer, they mistake. You understand? It's a mistake. We not to say me no kokomo daughter no give him mama money. God forbid.
And we not to say make you no kokomo. Say make you pick the beat mama.
We only wait here again. Say people when they wear bug money, when they insult it, give me they know they insult it again. Now don't want me day again.
Me one person mute.
Me, I not mute. This is my bicycle why they drive. Or even I didn't me anywhere.
I know they come up for that again. I know they come up again. No, I know they come up. Mommy Jennifer, they misquote me. You don't understand me.
No, it's not like that.
No.
Grace.
Because he said me the talking of BJC.
Life. No,
he said me say,
no, Lady J. No. You know what happen? You know, say where Jennifer come up. Jennifer say everything where that they talk, say they yes, say nah, say that they advise me, make me give my mother money where don't run, leave us, mother where abandon children.
Grace, I beg. I did my children's school. My shipping this. Yeah, time of a story of any good time. We may local.
I
go let you talk because I won't come
talk. I beg.
Children's school. More than talk.
When you are, again, may not be women or you. Mereke may not be. It's a gay quick. Is he make it day? I got bullish men or oh, where be oh, where is he make it day? You give a mamu a mazigaire. Oh, it day. Oh, my levaire. On your way, my older sister. On a fresh fish, fresh ice fish. Omakain, Akaka, eating when he agade or gade. But that my mother today, I still give her, I still place her on allowance. Me maka we even again now but we kokomo get on Emma. No, ya fije mini, but it's survival of the fittest. But na rio your candidate na do gele bully na do gele be social media. No,
I don't want me there again.
DJ, make a talk.
Ije no be mia we vi ama when ije when we we ama egbe ave kan where you gbe me yan o kwe ovi we ni akwa misbehave yourself we go we sigbo o kwe misbehave yourself you avoid it. Hi baby.
Lady J, you know what the happen? I very money you mute your side though.
Yo, agree can emoji.
Lady J, you know what happen now where Jennifer come. No. Jennifer say they hear everything where we they talk since say me they talk about my parents, my own mother. Stay now. Then they advise me, make me give my mother money. Say that it makes sense. Say mother where abandon children upon no I dey drown near body. He not still come, he not still care. Say now they tell me now say may I still place the woman for monthly salary. And now they join you know kokomo daughter say wetin he do and we say now they give you no kokomo money. Say and na him mother take care of his daughter. And now they not fit talk about that one. Say may they take care of him mama. Say my own way not take care of me. They divest me make give her money.
Now
that one wait, Grace, you don't talk abeg. Now that one make on talk say I never ever advise, I never ever talk about Iyenu Kokomo daughter may not care for him mother, may not give him mother money. I never said that.
Why you relax yourself?
Wait now, only waiting. You see, let me tell you something. Me, I know sabi like I dey talk waiting Percy talk. You understand? I never say Iyenu Kokomo daughter he beat him mama well. I only make una understand say maybe that press when the mother press that pikin neck. As in that make the pikin maybe not fit dey breathe again. Now make her use that thing, it take hit him mama. You know maybe the daughter no even know say that. Wait, see, I thought say that hit when he hit her mother. Maybe he no even think say that thing he go resolve like that. You understand? He no stage maybe he no stage mama. I am your mono was stage je big no was wale je. You understand? I will say Iyenu Kokomo talk say our station we gbin na wa leli yen gbin na gbepa ni. I go say at the girl uma wear say you understand, and I know they against Iyenu Kokomo. Only wetin I thought say ni age imwe bogbo vie. People wey dey insult Iyenu Kokomo. See that lady come up yours now, that Rose mama he come up, she talk. I climb up because of that woman. I appreciate the way she take talk because she no lay curse on the girl. She not call the curse of good to the girl. You understand? I will say people they do one like that the way that lady take do one. Me no go dey against them. You understand? Even the lady Kokomo no wagbina na. The woman will not be okay if it still pass there. You understand? So now wetin I not talk say no vision no Kokomo. May no give mama money.
Blessing where they follow mama. Now say which mama
it's Jennifer, the way you read me to everything that I say, me actually I don't like it. Me I be natural person. I see it now, place on now. They bones not there. A bond in my Kokomo. They don't have mutual relationship.
Yes.
And before it been a kid or seen a video, he mama and one, mama and one.
Mama, I get doing now according to the everything you have been now.
Yes, that means that the
relationship. Solve the problem. They should stay off each other. We no rogue me. If I say no, hold on. It is Jackie. We don't get understand. There is never a time. Near time way
Now then, Mami Jennifer for strong the issues.
But the pressure.
Mama,
calm down.
but you have towards your mother.
No, Damian, we don't have relationship.
No, you don't have, but that feed is okay.
I don't.
I
just do it at the Noya Biere. I just do it
So, okay.
Yes, there's never
Mami Jennifer, I make you misquote us. I know
yes, there's never a time. My head,
life, I beg, we love you.
And secondly, it should not be a must. Exactly in the time grace. Now, it should not be under pressure. Don't be under pressure because you want to give her. Give her what you can give her. If you can. If you feel like.
Yes, also.
You understand? If you feel like, if you can. Don't
Mami Jennifer, you misquote the issue. You misquote her. No, I only talk say made the noise something again.
Now there was never a time. There was never a time again. Now you have to teach we gagbina. Emi soon. You now exchange it.
Mama, no matter.
I'm very sure again. I walk back. Oma back. Why you No, that was not true. I went to pay the man. That way is survival of the fittest. It can get in a gualemi or not gualemi. You are hitting you making a zobo. Okay, we're whopping you. Oh, whatever. Oh, my tis good. Oh, whatever. That is what we said.
Oh, mommy, I'm
where that woman climb up, Mami Jennifer, when that woman climb up, it make us understand, say, Eriogi no, Eragita, or when not, me away again, but no ya fije mini, yes, no ya fije mini, ever must that lady explained to us, and we already understand, say, okay, maybe not because of that one. You understand? But me telling, me saying, please
let me have
God forbid. I never said that. I only say, you understand? Now, what I did against. So now, because it say, oh, man,
maybe support you. You must support the one.
Yes, now that's why I did.
No,
you are not a platform.
Make me not on platform. You are wrong. Okay, nobody on the platform. Please, in case. Where do you no, I thought of Lady Jennifer. Where Jennifer? AK platform, please. No, but not the first day. Emma, talking about this matter. Now, if my Murphy wife come in, and she could swear every
to start with
that day, you know, say a lot of people were
they were swearing on her on Jennifer platform. Me made to Jennifer mute her with this swear so this swear was too much.
And there was I wish that if stop. Maybe you say, maybe you want to show for fight. Now we say if I was la only say I was stopping everybody. And now they talk everybody don't do
Mama will not forgive anybody.
They talk this matter, so not the don't do that. Epa wife, wait, don't cause the papa will be a bobiswa for social media.
Wait. I beg. No. According to what Epa wife talk, he say if she we talk something for Facebook, or what tomorrow, she they regret her. She see they beg out in tomorrow. Talk let's say to raise hand up. They pretty papa with mama. So now dear she stay talking. We maybe aware she too. You man free. You man innocent. No.
Okay.
No matter where you are. The way no I tell me. So or man
Jennifer good me pa wife.
I was not happy.
I know at the point where the people stop. Say, where my Bob man, where we
he use the papa take cash out for this social media cash out. So they pack out, they say, if your boy may busy, I cannot know your boss as yet bonnet. Ne Bobiswa. He not see that one.
I mean, I told you that one top pass.
I'm not see what you want.
Mommy Jennifer.
Nobody.
Mommy Jennifer.
Hello, where?
Mommy Jennifer, I beg. I not also vision no kokomo. We just say. You understand? I not talk that word, and I did against the way they insult me. And I not say make he daughter not give him mama money. I not talk like that.
Okay.
I not get right to go tell you no kokomo daughter nege zigo nije. Oma na zigo nije, mama zigo na.
Okay.
You understand? So that's why I don't feel advise anybody against a mother. Okay. Only with I dey against say man do amwe bogbe ni. Me no go ni lad do go abage mommy Rose. Or give me understand the way before we man take bear, not take bear, but based on that injury no ije mula dia ni. Ever here must total work bije. So it make us understand. We can't understand. Say okay, maybe not because of that one they read it. And so saying that negative only imo bobo I not talk that word though.
Okay, I hear my love.
Okay, thank you.
So mommy Jennifer, Jennifer Collins. Wo. Ijeme menu mime na e kana we saga iro ne to ama e maji.
I we saga na aboya makon.
Unu edo mommy gumeta we. I'm someone I respect you a lot.
Well say je, me too.
Thank you mama. Nimi ya ama e maji. Okay, adoni iwie mani iwie do. Awi ya kun ya reguma mo make sense. Ohoni ijunu kokomo o se na obiere. O so ladia. Emi give no sunu all those things. Then mani iwie do. Okay, ave gumajo. Zero no weji. We are going through a lot. No owiema. Ero our marriage gbe. Our word you are a married woman. Nike need marry. Why the single ones? Baby mama. We respect each other homes. I respect it here. But every year, there's a limit. Only is so large, yane. Zeu no pana ze. Dona na zena. Ona we no when we contribute. Abe wijo bono mani. No. Ohu no igbunu kuno hime webo. No ime red passport ne. That's to show where he's now a citizen of European citizen. Ona we are amend a country away. Fine. Ije no imo la we bone. Egbe ya. Why? Because she need a betterment for that child. Você na movie a dia wepo. Oive semana. Emi anu I make nezo eje. Ezo no yaro. I believe we baguti a family. O que do money la de media. O kagwe family we guane. Gemi no sunu o mona wa gwegun. O me because all say media ne enyagi temata me no ya sunu e. They will need the favor where so what can be he? I believe where a man may boom when it comes to wisdom. I have a lot of experience in diaspora here, so I respect everyone as well. Also, yeah, like platform, on our tier exchange of words. Yeah, cozy be, yeah, cool. So, Emma Bunire will not be demon, but it's no even experience ni boom. No, so all we need is we are just trying to calm. Maybe you are doing okay. Now the mean we money here do. My best one no, we here do. Meanwhile, other tribes, bro, media now. Oh yeah, oh why na settle. When I make me oh here do. Or was no is very loud. Emma, ukowa, ukwana wo. Wala wo. Waya, I'm begging, walao. Yedo, we media ne, wala wo. Na sirio pakia. Walao.
Marvelous. My sister Lao was your. I don't want. Your contribution is boring. Like is so boring.
Okay.
Domo, the DJ.
Oh, come here. No. Always boring.
Okay. So boring. Esa game yari.
We just see talk you know. Oh, Maria Otame now can remember for me no. You can make a body hustle for me. Why that was boring? No, it's like a piece of advice. You understand my love?
Agree.
Oh, mama magwi. Ikume gwalo wagi bani. Okay, yeah, what are we go ogbere no ma go ogbere no. I like it.
Yeah, boy, a platform the DJ at here bomana. When do we no one no we call as now we here. A lot of people when you know what I'm angry with the people that is judging that girl. Okay, no call as now we now get belle the knock. So a lot of parents, a lot of people were wrong. You have been cool. No relate your mother. Now do you come and say na your mother?
Again, no, we are very loud. Papa,
Mary go there. For 2 years now. She go clap laugh for. She go swear for gigs. She go judge her.
Can you make vision hour? Yeah, we do
Never do analyze, never do say bonnet again. And engineer ware new Benin so far. It's just so. Iyan jeki, iyan make na ya pa ware. Why is just so? Iyan jo because on we agbeyan wa. I'm a living with Asian men and mama they go you also they come for.
I can't my own join
Mama na person when get body and we don't stop am. Asian men jeki to you also they come up for us. Your own Asian men jeki. Why parents is so? We are going but they are going to market because of hunger. We must not yeah, references. PMI exists.
Why they do my go? Oh, look, you know what?
Mama Nora, I hope say you not they put my own journal.
Jesus Christ.
You say?
Mommy Nora, I hope you not they can't me journal. Because
in which way?
I say they talk say some more that they sell tomatoes, they do this. I hope my own not join.
No, your mother said tomatoes.
It's just not tomatoes.
Tomatoes. My mama they sell tomatoes. I say some they sell they keep themselves busy. Oh God, that pikin don't abandon the so it's not problem. You say okay, maybe they go down market. Why so they go out of say now we working like this like my man person we fat where my man get body.
I know we are to my mama when no, I know we are to my
man don't go by my
maybe enough for
the 2005.
Now Bella Top talk now.
Okay, Bella talk.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This topic unano wa tikwa for this now. Why agree? Any that dog every yari toge, any yari toge nena. A woman na amwe gbe laja wo winya eva. Asi le gbe a de social media wo winya eva.
Wala.
Ọmọ ní àgbẹ̀ẹ́sọ mà ọmọ náà ká ṣe tó ìyàn ọmọ ẹ̀ láti.
Obìẹ́ ẹni ló kù obìẹ́ nà.
Ọmọ ní àgá àgbẹ̀ẹ́sọ mà ọmọ ẹ̀ láti. From Victor ọmọ èdè ìṣú láti. Ìyàn ní ká ṣe tó ìyàn ọmọ bí jẹ owó wà.
No, Tana, please, can we drop this issue because Sister Jennifer, you are taking it too personal. I don't just like the way it's going. The way you take it. You are taking it too. You take it too personal.
We are all learning here because
funny anymore. Like, hey, guy, don't crucify that girl. Don't. Let's drop that issue, Lady J.
Lady Jennifer.
Mommy Jennifer don't come down. I'm gonna bring her back now. Make she not vex.
Lady Jennifer, we get worried because you might understanding why if you get him.
You me ma we saga. I always saga.
Real money. Jennifer dey talk.
Lady Joe cut me off. From an road when I get igwa the matter na egwere. Give up when make down who wanna na sin.
No, Bella. Bella talk. Real money say me Jennifer drop the matter and not be Jennifer they talk.
No.
They talk.
No. Yes, the reason why when Jennifer take the matter personal.
When somebody asks who bring the matter, it's like oh my way, zole me and Jennifer reply Jennifer Ovieno. No, she's taking it too personal. You understand? I'm not going to. But let's just conclude this.
Mommy Jennifer, not
everyone here continue with this topic. Or you may ever argue. I have to go with my sister. I have to. This matter, the way Penny Jennifer today take on personal. You know, fine.
Jennifer.
Exactly.
Jennifer for Jennifer not the person way they I wanna like a minute I wanna go out here bro. So if you guys sue and girl, no here girl you don't need to give her that space. That's chance. Now okay, we are all here now to talk about
Mommy Twins, you know say Mommy Jennifer talk say you no come there that day. He say come they do something, so she moved.
Abi jeme ni be mana. Omo ro no. Bella gwan.
Salo boa me no bi.
Ede se show media wa je my sister.
Bella we gwan, we tell me no ro yan.
Ebi no say ni na no tani ba we between the daughter and the mother. I'm with the topic in the social media. I say because if no say no, I'm going somewhere. Now it make me ask. Any nyata mana ni jubuaka na ibude ni mahari ni bima ni mahari ni jimo ni desi kema. In case of future, now I get to talk not about thing no mo waro to na iye gbe or mo gbe. I don't but normally nobody go hear am. Amare really no yes, but nobody go use it here where you more budget. Never get me an etajo. Niya tebone the girl, niya tebone the woman. That's where the topic in Latvia ye people must talk.
Okay.
But every talk here na talk is here na. The more bono gele la jabgele do tell no keke ni ma ya nwa. Eni sunu daima ni ma le ya nwa. Ori ni kokomona sunu na di bude nu wato bo wa ri mi e wo na for this days like wa saga nagbe
ibude waro
ibude ni ma mi e wo ko ni Mommy Rose ota ne ba ma ri ibude ni ne we don't agree to Mommy Rose.
Okay ma me meti igwan yo
no it would be
what you
ask question
where they talk where they say that is
not any because if not say na no we dey we maybe we no forage run aga ya bodo we ya ige no kokomo if no season ni ya wo ye mama obiye no we ni ya vijele an egbe na no na we fije ni o mistake ge no we no didi ya so no we ije wo salobu apa o ginye mama ebi ni me woni me gbe manije mo me ka me manije mo ije ni kokomo de ba manije mo me ya mo bo wa egbe na o me yesu emuna ye
you are welcome back home. God bless you for coming back.
omuna jira 15 years in
Ele agora me acho no meu Jennifer.
oh moko ona jira 15 years in omunyi so no onyi omuna go where nu we ni je you go by yourself the way you to first una kakabo ge egwe okay na mari yes because o me yesu no ai bege the physical unwe wo na ri oga bo u the way you to tamo so ba no gewe u ga ri gewo ni mari mu wewe ege ne dede o me yesu no so no dai mo so erinya ijin to binya lawe mi ya eni ni e no yo mo na ya iwo na eni una mi mo so bege ni abiyan ereri yen wa pak e mo pero ni je atano na ogbena ri eko ogbena kekode o ga sie ti gije wo wa era bi je ipa yere ze gbigbi ma fo aipa ai anoto to ere yen ki ni akesan le gbo mo ni mo te gi na iwa je na ri kere ke wa sunu amuye social media azen tajo o so itajo omo babe itajo ma manije mu mi ma cha ni ma agbibi eri omo na we mi ma gwa lo to re social media na do amu okay just imagine na gelegele woni bu me bo again na no be na let's assume dey mi o gele sunu that girl na no ma giagbon ma ne ma na gbon we dey gbe do hi ba ene teni ne ri ya de gbe a worst before he wona be jeke do gbele like the social media na ije nu kokomo wo be na iyan ka get down ne we gbe even when she was in London or Kenya wo ga there was no together no be maya type like that you feel this ije ni wo mo boro but this start ni ya jeni egba gbosuro roye ni yogo ya make example no make na cleanliness why go then in ta pegbe wo to sometimes ago we no ma be 2-3 months ago na omo yin ni so no me ni da me wa ya to party 100 ya we ni boy ni gbegbon aye ni boy so wo me e come too much to my expectation e come too much to my understanding one no so am mu me here with my young one dey wa me mo no ma ze Nigeria video but we know of that one but I don't bugbe erima you know do all that as first ma mu me that way can be o engineer polygamy normal we know how be we mother ina ka mo awodo e dokpa iwa are platform me the platform ma ni ga di wa we come across FYP ina click it way na gwa lo toto
power tap wala
me do wa get a point now so this and most of the management iboni like we bone na do made a big mistake in the name of one we awa some more ai we to we market in the kere but bo ma kwe kidi we na zei agbon ya mwe Bible ko e no ru Bible mama onwe we are going wrong in many things.
Bella, let's say the desert here.
My sister, come down. Go and who no say I'm
Oh God. This man on a sakara for ya no talk.
I don't want to say my daddy wife.
What make sense? What make sense?
Do I get a point now? Many of us in there, okay, no, my platform, I believe the way we are off from a those who know we know where we are coming from. Let's not take Bible aside. If you sit and read Bible, sister, go deep down to your Bible, kabash for your picking head. Whatsoever no we hear over ya feel it, we know they go to your glory. Talk out to God. No matter the anything we fast it, support your head, whatever you can call for your children. Because we are coming from somewhere. And we imagine we ma Mama said thing when it be mafo, and those things is coming to our enemies' children's body to manipulate.
Yes.
We know of all those things. Many of us are ignoring me, and we Bible a pastor no mark, a pastor no meha, no me sango, no more look what or do I I don't get it. Many mothers they make fucking mistake. Wait make me ask, I'm when we like social media, and we general. You na blame me because as a mother, always want foreign logo ne, always want zen you are born in a wrong manner. What's your zone?
And the reason we are now on social media, Bella. If you not see no
Obie ni omokano e no say na no tan sister enjoy ladian yo kaladian fine money omokano you dey marry nowhere. It may be with this moment of we are saying she have done something wrong before no affect her money against her because none of us know is in this world that we are. My hands still not be managed with blood. We know of that. But we have done so many things to other people. Me and I just say you know where
I bet no, I'm not quite too sure who stay out with blood. When you imagine my master no more
not be back not be back killing, not be back you if you not there your body, you go mute who down end of the room where may do that.
Oh, as you just talk, you say a lot of people don't stay there.
You not there your body. I did not say all. When I say
you not there your heart, you not call your name.
They not just he go say some.
But you allow me talk, madam, please.
I go allow you, not they put her like that now. So I just correct you, not very.
Correct me, madam. Correct me. Ire school we correct ne no we worry for eri mega ya boma de lege na ga boma
na directed we o na wo
many of us are missed. No, yeah, we be manipulate to
never remove the leg before. If you remove the leg before, so blood in your hand.
What do
tie for?
My first child,
Grace, clap for yourself.
Yes, so I
oh, you know why I no money so why no reason now?
My lady,
talk finish now.
Nobody stop her make she not talk. Nobody stop her make she not talk. But what is she talk? Lady Grace correct. Lady Grace correct and say you go put and say some. You understand?
Yeah.
And
Okay, I want for now.
Say everybody. You understand? Okay, not be everybody, not be do that straight. So if you want to put on, you will say some. That is how they put it.
Okay,
and the woman correct you. Instead of you to take, you are still shouting.
Mama.
No,
okay,
this is not done that way.
Okay, no continue, no go on.
As I just correct me. Not put me other.
Mommy twins.
Yeah, now wow.
EJ, mommy twins. They know how to way.
Me wa go go.
Besides these people wey dey comot belle, not be daughter dey kill the pikin. Not be daughter dey kill the pikin, na we kill am.
Carry am go give doctor. What do you carry am go give doctor?
Not be daughter comot am.
That one, when people they ask, say who carry and come media. Before that issue carry, before that issue come media.
What people were into you now? So you remove belle, so you can say Wahala, why you real? You are going one hour.
Hey, that doctor go get her for Nigeria that time.
Yes, so the pikin come dey cry for where they throw them.
They cry for
I want to have you. Why you real? Wahala, wo. Wahala,
Mommy twins.
Tracy, good afternoon, sweetheart. Good afternoon.
That's why you be.
Then what tell you where
My family.
So God bastard children go give daughter na comot am.
Now you carry and go give
Me
doctor.
mother there kenugwaje kenona we sagen fun ya here abono ko ni na challenge e we na wa ko ya we everybody are saying blood. Yeah. Understand.
You know that way. I be say even Libya.
Where platform? Where platform na?
Ya na de gesi ga muela dia waga akabo ari oyo to mata la ke la dia e wo so agbege ni nege is ovie age we just beg you go ovie age people already they saga that girl already on code the saga was not 100% saga it was
Mama Nora, one thing where I want to tell people where the carry children come abroad. Like me I can't mama deal with Italy. It's been why it was difficult. Like UK,
UK
like UK, Dublin, Canada, or you know. So I
Why do you say so? Why do you say so?
Why I say so? Because in this all these places I name so they have a lot of opportunities for job. If we are learning winner. If this guy did this country, I swear, EJ and
the what they intelligent.
Just maybe EJ, I swear to God, EJ, so that maybe get now at least for 6 months or 7 months. Because opportunity raw where in winner, but that Italy, I'm saying because again,
Sister Jennifer. Sister Jennifer, ma, first of all, if we
Mama Mudia, because I tell people like me, I tell people waka momo with Nigeria, try munyari a place near where opportunity for blacks. No matter what, where you logo. I swear, woman, no, be one. No, get 10 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours. You must get money or you logo. But Italy now or spend all logo. So that is why it still contribute.
Or see men not buy Italy or we buy a lawable or man on a double or we buy a lawable.
You understand? So it still contributes for this game matter. I wish that this guy there you can get a make up here, motorway. Okay, study, okay, many things, no car shift.
Because I am in the UK, I'm not going to be a man.
Eh?
Oh, we are one of more UK, oh, my cobiana, Mamma, go marriage, my be a UK.
I know.
We are name. Social media, I'm a yana boru away. Obi ko na bia mama how we married.
Yes sir. Everything I want be to
Mama, let me tell you something. It's not all about the country. Let me tell you something. Mama, dame ho. Mama, we yan win na dame ho. Many more. Sister Jennifer, dame ho. Sister Jennifer, problem, Irena.
Mama, ego see problem. One ego jeze mo follow.
My lady.
She said she tried carrying her 2 times.
Italy man,
no, 3 times. No, she talk her. She said she tried carrying her 3 times for that one, no work. We met Tori, Meru de
Why
any matter where me I quit throw this one give you in case you know I see the app one already Europe. Why where you na ro wa gwale brain mo ka ba no wa die a place na tie Dublin. Uwaro unwa do that duro other months they will give you what they call working document. E beni e gani no si wa e wi e menya na wuna working permit under Aduro, under asylum seeker. They can see work. It's only, you know, they'll call they wait until they make a decision.
Don't get double document to the there without paper.
Now they talk so. So under many months, they will give you working documents, working visa. So you know why we not name from there?
Who be that one? Who?
Let your son children now would they talk.
In okay, now I just say now UK the deal.
No, not Dublin.
Because UK not the document because UK they very hard for Aduro whatsoever they will not give you.
So waiting me, Sister Jennifer, waiting me they try to talk, Me, I don't think say now because say the na money or
na money join
no,
mama.
Listen. First of all, the foundation of the upbringing of those children was not that good. Number one. And what you are saying where something like that. Number one. So I bring you come Europe. May you can stand on your own.
Yes.
Okay, you come Europe. People that say na Italy, your mama get documents. Take care you come. You reach there. You integrate, you enter to the system no more. Without you no one go run all those run where people they run. For me as a person, I think it's all about the upbringing of children, not be country where you dey. Because anywhere they read you can I will step father na wabe iriakoye or step daughter but whether you you can. So for me, I think it's not all about the country. It's all about individual, how you were brought up. Yes.
The mentality of bringing up that child.
Yes. Anywhere they take you to, if you don't have brain, you don't have brain. You will still mess up.
Point.
Yes.
Okay. I agree with you.
Okay, let me tell you something. Okay, even though your mother is begging, as me now, if you make to log in social media now beg, you are not about me. As far as me beg. Adi me very okwa. Ni to ka mu wa we mama ti parent we.
Oh, I'm a boy.
on egbe me. Wana ati ebo. Room digi meti ebo. Maybe kwenye. Just when maybe you get is not mature. You know ya few where you social media. And social media not swear, but might be where you feel where you beg all can
Okay.
I'm telling you the truth. Not Fakori Egbe, what off ye Hoji Maho, and social media, and this Jennifer Collins, you know, as social media be. Now we got Facebook, you know, as social media be. You get some things where you not go debunk. Who was seeing any enemy? I debunk hey.
Yes,
Jennifer Collins, Mama. Jennifer Collins, she's a media person.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you are right.
She just try to analyze.
Just give them drama, make them you give them drama, make them they watch. Don't debunk it. They can again make a mistake. Any me ba
if she try to analyze,
where game Mama Rosi go.
This, that, it. Shut up. Who sent you that one?
I saw a matter in online media. Jennifer Collins or have any rights? No, let's say that issues. She has 100% rights.
Jennifer Collins, Maguaka,
so let's say, Mama, I blame me.
The first time when the girl come outside, wait, where agree. The first time when the girl come outside, she tell people say,
where give Mama Rosi can land in
baby, I quit talk this one. She say, make anybody know insult her mother again. Say anybody wey get money may give him mama. Who not get may leave him mother alone. Now wait till she first talk for the first time.
Evani and not make a mistake. No matter anything in social media, because unless people will not know social media, now they do. If you know social media, there is some things I did bunker.
Mama, even the skin where you touch,
I understand. That's why. Because of say your skin not tight, you not go pull body. Evani and not make a mistake. I'm telling you the truth. London, who will surprise Pakistan, you will Mokone or be any man. That not be bad that one. It's all about her upbringing.
Yeah, Zelle Desadi.
Country we raw. When Jennifer my country we raw. Bring it raw. Country we raw.
Country we raw. You know UK na America.
But English country is direct. So what do you want with it? They know say your break carrier. They go your face you put for there direct. But in German or English or Italy, you must speak those language before you become anything. Say you want to study anything. Language first. Then make people go English country. They'll say language barrier. English country now language barrier they call country whatever they speak because you cannot achieve that you want to achieve without language. Language say join as Jennifer talk. Like country join.
You enter UK now your taste speed that's English.
You are very correct, my lady. It's not by country. Me, I just tire. Mama,
I swear to God, country.
Let me tell you something.
I'm talking about work, opportunity. Forget about able opportunity of job. To have money. So the country where job maybe Germany or maybe Germany. Canada.
Not all that language and barrier.
No. For some work, for some barrier.
Not be for
for some work.
Not be all work. You cannot go there.
Like the school, when I dey clean now for school. Not be language. They not to need language for school. They not to need language.
Even if Amazon is winner,
no, not be only Amazon. Even many MS where they yes,
even if company, you know,
no, they don't need the Jamie like that.
When you want to do all those nurse work, all those hospital, you want to do better big work where they will give you. Now those ones, every other aware the language.
If you need office work, you want get level. Now you go
language school, you know that. But we now for years. And I know that you know, they know why I be street, you know.
Lady J. Lady J, you know what I dey do?
Not be all work.
You know what I dey do? If I dey clean ground, if I see say one student near me like this, say just speak to me. I say okay, and I dey work my work dey go. E no concern me o.
You get one school.
We don't Jennifer. Wait Jennifer. We go as a boy name. Home office where UK home office. Ekene ya ni be no one. Indian man. Oh, never need. Go as a proper English.
Okay.
Because where opportunity is here. Forget the job.
Germany na. Work you know never was the dosh.
Lady J.
Lady J.
No, Dublin na school no join una no you na certificate in your book. Then I go get special charge here. Money go say what put in through. But the Germany without language, you cannot go far like that. You cannot go.
Who is there to get job?
To that school. Children.
On your children.
Wait,
language barrier is too much. Language barrier is too much.
What a
You cannot do it.
Depends on the work where you want to.
Like Jennifer now. Jennifer, you put Jennifer.
This one when you talk now, you must speak Dutch.
I like it that work because I get patient for children. But because of language, as I said, I don't fit go that kindergarten. I don't fit do that kindergarten.
You see?
Exactly.
I cannot do it. Because I don't fit go kindergarten. But if now English,
I language. Like me now, I don't want to speak language.
I can take your children. I can speak
language. You can do it for 5 years.
But
let me talk now. I give me one. You know that.
Host, yeah, if get drop in, you make another right no more. Host, where would you?
Wagumegwan. Go. Ayo agboya wa rush. Ije. Ye no ra e kidagati job nutani. Ege ni mena ya we na. We ge kidagati job different is awa. Iya be ma na eze dosh. Vi ya uwa unome. Eso ro. Iya ma no ma me na ge mena ya we na be kidagati me eze dosh is na. But na the tree be ka ni be do ahun kere. You understand? Iya die me. Vi ya we na ba. So abe even me ga awa abe ma ni vi okma. Ne, ave kwa ni beka ya rie ba ebe school. E mega mama. Keke bebe ayo ginya. So I beka ni nia, e we do ale leve ku self so we do have ze me na we do ale ba de me son this ni matter me e dosh. You dey understand now? Keke ba bu money ya hie bro ni do via a washing machine. E mega awa. So a many work in raw with Germany even though we say dosh weti we. So when I go we ga atabara o a special child in now. Almost go as a dosh. Okay, warning. So there are some work here. You must go school before you do one. You must go school. You must speak Dutch. Even in Metava when they manipulate that way, yeah, don't give it that excuse you now because I know the year language. I don't want to work. Now you don't want to work because some work they Germany yeah, where you even though you know they speak Dutch, you can do it. no yes schoolie. No, even I man ya when win the dinner. I mean, no way the real one and I use that. I'm with motor normal. Almost a guazedosh. Almost over
Exactly.
That's why we're perfect too. But we understand who we go as dekere UK will follow. Is it be like a UK? There are some work where you want to do now. You know, I speak English. Like maybe your English not be all those kind better one. Yeah, anyway. But for people sit there now, any work at all or work in Nigeria, I don't want to win now. That English in the
but host to matter my when I or him where as we as an English people in my
yes.
When you arrive a country that is English country,
yes,
it make you run faster than a country that you need to be in a queue to hear the language also.
Language. Thank you, Mama Rose.
God bless you.
Mama.
We know that. But what me I'm saying that sometimes it's not all about the country. If a child is already rotting, when they say something is rotting, take him to Chapachan or take him to Agaristan. He will still be leaking because he's already rotting.
Double tap on your screen, guys, please.
Are you getting me? So that's another thing. So for me, as a person, it's good. If you have the opportunity, you can take the child to English-speaking country to make things faster for the child. Is good. But if maybe you does not have the opportunity, maybe it's the country you are, that you have opportunity, you can bring the child. If the child is really brought up well, that the foundation is not rotten, you will not have issue.
Yes.
Nobody will even hear that maybe this, that. My dear, this thing is fun of, is everywhere. Almost all those children they bring from Africa, it dey happen for US, it dey happen for UK, it dey happen for everywhere. Mm-hmm. So we just dey pray. Now yes. Pray, I just say, I beg go, may we not be in that shoes. Ni ma be your monogbo wan real na just be the prayer.
Thank you. Most I feel contribute, may I come down.
America. Okay, one movie is America. Oh, we are not
host. Sandra, I no kere ma say we can contribute. Get one okay tell me what alaje.
Bless you, mommy. Thank you, ma. Good afternoon, everybody. My own opinion be say, me I believe say the country where Pikin dey, he contribute a lot, and I will give my reasons why.
Okay.
Number one, that Italy that woman took her daughter to, there is too much limitation there. Sometimes people that have lived in that country and some later relocated to another country,
yes,
the difference is huge. You can't compare. Why did I say so? In a country where the system is really functioning, you will see children at a very tender age planning their lives. You will look at your mate, you look around you. You know, you will not want to be the nuisance. You understand? But when you live in a country like Italy, you look here, this one, mama carry and come, maybe in the street, they hustle. The other one, mama carry and come, maybe in the street, they shoot. The other one, mama carry and come, no head, no tail. So you yourself, you have no other choice than to get yourself a mini job and start living your life. It's just like there's too much limitation in that place. When you live in a functional country, when you will see people where their mama bring come, the way that they live their life, shame, even if na the pikin use less pass. I know say he did those country too, but majority wins the vote.
Yes.
When you go see the way children, where they your age group, your peers, they are living their life and achieving things and making their parents proud. You yourself, you'll be forced to want to. The girl is a very intelligent girl. I've heard her speak. I've listened to her.
So
if that girl, they functional like a country where be say the youth of that country, they really they make something good out of their life. I don't believe so that girl will turn out the way she turned out. Honestly speaking, I just feel frustration join because the mother was bringing her. There was no proper setting. I don't even believe say maybe the woman just still get the way she don't take balance well. You know, see, sometimes some people once they just don't get passports, they just feel say that is it. There's life after that.
Yeah.
There's a way you position yourself, and this disrespect of a thing. You get the way you take bring pikin come Europe. You get the kind of life where pikin go see say you dey live. You not go respect you. If that pikin first they respect you before, he go see you finish. Go see, and my mama I just dey respect. Now be this one because he don't already did that pikin nature. The trainer spoil because pikin where they not train spoil. Bad as he bad, you don't get any right to see your mama finish. Those days when we did Africa, now people their papa be drunkard. They'll drink go for side gutter. They still they respect their papa. If he reach out, they'll call them, they'll carry their papa. So she don't have any excuse or whatsoever to disrespect the mom. But me, I believe say the country where mama carry go played a big factor how her life turned out. And why did I say so? For Italy, how many black people children they say they graduate for university? Are you going to compare to the UK where they see our black brothers and sisters where their children they graduate? It be like water. Yes. Graduation almost every week. Graduation almost every week. How many times you don't ever see say the invert person say, my pikin, remember graduate to the university or the woman go? It's very rare. Very rare. So that we are waiting. Me see for inside the matter and about the language own that they were talking about just now. If you don't want to, my thing was Laurier, my view go bokba. If you are opportuned to be in a English-speaking country, it's good, it's very good, but not everybody will opportuned to go to English-speaking country. If you then non-English-speaking country, if you know say you really want to have a purpose, then you can't escape the language. You have to learn it, no matter how difficult it might seem from the beginning. They say baby step, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. You will start small, one way or the other. Even if you go take the rest people 1 year to learn, and your own can take you like 4-5 years, no problem. Suffer the learner there small, you go benefit and later. Because if you don't learn that language, you see what you they run for so, you see me stand for front. Or you go see people who come today, the way they go to overtake. They don't learn the language. They don't find one small course do one small course do before you know they don't position their life. You where they have words to learn that language, they find mini job year to year. You still there where you be. You can't escape it. You have to integrate into the system.
That is right. If they want to give the passport, all of them will come the wrong go they go school for you.
You see, because you can't run faster than your shadow. This is Europe.
But you must bring that paper for school.
They don't already bring. See, when I came to the country where I came to, is one Yoruba guy. The guy said, if you know you want to settle for less, then go for mini job. No need to learn the language. You see, they get 3 job. Instead, why some people they do one job that they get and clear. They don't need to stress themselves. But you feel go they do 3-4 job just to make ends meet. He said, but if you really want to integrate into the system, you don't want anybody to cheat you. You don't want to suffer. You don't want to say you go find work for years because you be black and not give you the work. He said you can't escape it. You have to learn the language. Whatever you want to do, even if not cleaner, you want to go and get a certificate. Even if not cleaning, go and get a certificate. Whatever profession you want to go into, go and get a certificate for it. May you can't look whether they go talk down. You say you be black or not. That make a lot of say no. Sometimes the way we ourselves, we sit they pour ourselves. You can't see for work now. Where quarrel happen between you and your co-worker, you can't even express yourself properly. You be get what you want to talk, but you don't fit talk because you know they speak the language. It's bad. We'll have to do better. Thank you very much, host. That's my little contribution.
Thank you. You really make sense.
Can I just drop my own because
nice.
I also go.
God bless you for your.
I also go to work. Where's it again? But wait till me see for inside the home matter. When I do country, me not see a country issue. That guy was in Italy at the age of 21. Or must stop any school, must stop any learning the language.
I will minimize.
She was still
one more because again, you are very intelligent.
Let me tell you now. I'm not the intelligent. No matter the country, to all you make it. Eh, my yes, school only, eh? Eh, my yes, school. It depends on foundation. Ni j'avais lay down, eh? And of it depend on the girl. They talking very serious. You that boy. You can't come to a country and get pregnant under 1 year. I'm not make it 1 cent. You understand?
What's going
and we the, can you come at the age of 21? Umay stand the ground where you were wearing or where according to the mother.
Money at her age, so people not the way don't born mother too.
No.
You're not gonna tell her whether make she born be me not born.
No. Only a life. Only that was not the reason they brought it up. At the age of 21, who like country. My view was so tofu, or because your mother is there. Okay, she was really spoiled. You understand? She was really spoiled. The next thing,
if one a guess madam Mure on that one college.